Hello everyone, welcome to Infigan. Once again in this very exciting video of algebraic challenging equations and expressions, where we are going to simplify one expression x plus 4 whole cube plus 1 over x plus 4 whole cube if given equation is x square plus x equal to 11. So how we will simplify? Let's get started by considering x plus 4 equal to y. So our substitution is let x plus 4 equal to y. That means x is equal to y minus 4. One thing. If this is y, then I will consider y cube over 1 over y cube we are looking for. We want to calculate this expression. Done. Now third part is, if expression is x plus 4 whole cube plus 1 over x plus 4 whole cube, then one thing is clear that x plus 4 cannot be equal to 0. Denominator cannot be equal to 0. If x plus 4 cannot be equal to 0, then y also cannot be equal to 0. Now let's put the value of x is equal to y minus 4 here in this quadratic equation. So I will write y minus 4 whole square plus y minus 4 equal to 11. Now one algebraic identity will come into the picture, that is a minus b whole square. Let me write quickly. That is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. This is what we know. Now let's apply this identity into this quadratic equation. I will write y square minus 8y plus 16 plus y minus 4 equal to 11. Okay. Let me simplify this one. Y square minus 7y plus 12 equal to 11. If I will take all the terms to LHS, then it will become y square minus 7y plus 1 equal to 0. Once we know y cannot be equal to 0, then we can think about division by y. So what I am doing here, I will divide LHS and RHS by y as y is non-zero. So once I will divide, then our LHS will become y minus 7 plus 1 over y equal to 0, or y plus 1 over y equal to 7. This is something very important equation in this context of solving. Okay. So y plus 1 over y equal to 7. Now we have to find out y cube plus 1 over y cube value. We have to simplify this value. So let's solve it. I will begin with, let me write here, this equation is known, and what we are looking for, y cube plus 1 over y cube. This value we have to find out. Let me begin with one algebraic identity, a plus b whole cube. We all know that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Now I am going to put a equal to y and b equal to 1 over y as per given problem conditions. So I will put a equal to y, a equal to y, b equal to 1 over y. Y plus 1 over y whole cube equal to y cube plus 1 over y cube plus 3 times y times 1 over y bracket y plus 1 over y. Now I can cancel these two terms. Now see, this term we will find out. We have to find out actually. And rest is, we know y plus 1 over y is 7. So let's put the value. This will become 7 cube equal to y cube plus 1 over y cube plus 3 times y plus 1 over y, that is again 7. So our required expression is y cube plus 1 over y cube, that would be equal to 7 cube minus 3 times 7. What is 7 cube? 49 times 7, 343 minus 21. So our answer will be 343 minus 21. It is 322. Okay. And LHS is our required expression value. So this is how you will find out answer for this simplification. Now one question from my side. If in place of cube it is written 4 there. See here. In place of cube power 3 x plus 4 whole power 3. If suppose it is 4. How you will find out? So let's take a look on that also. So what we are looking for? If this is 4. Quickly we will solve. One identity actually will come into the picture. So that is y power 4 plus 1 over y power 4. This is we have to find out in this case. Okay. So let me write here a power 4 plus b power 4. That algebraic identity. That identity is a square plus b square whole square. So a square plus b square whole square. A power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2a square b square. So counter that 2a square b square. I will take away 2a square b square. This is okay. Done. Now in next step we will consider a square plus b square whole square as it is. Rest is as it is. Only we are going to write this a square plus b square as a plus b whole square. What is extra? Plus 2ab. So counter that plus 2ab I have to write here minus 2ab. So this is one algebraic formula identity you can directly use. Now see, if you want to see, in place of a we will write y, and in place of b we will write 1 over y. So it will become y power 4 plus 1 over y power 4. That would be equal to y plus 1 over y whole square minus 2 times y into 1 over y whole square. This is whole square minus 2 y square into 1 by y square. Now you can see this is only 2, this is only 2. This y plus 1 over y equal to 7 you will put everywhere. You will find out y power 4 plus 1 over y power 4. So that value will come out. If I will write quickly, then it will become 7 square minus 2 whole square minus 2. This is our answer. So if you want to write, then 49 minus 2, 47 square minus 2. This is our answer. If you want to find this value, you can write the answer also. This is how these algebraic identities are very effective. In terms of a square b square, this you can write, and in terms of a plus b known, then you can use this. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video.